You can see it now, this book?
Yeah.
Okay. So you said Qalqalah, you mean Qalqalah means? Echoing, vibration, or shaking sound, okay?
Okay.
You said the letter of Qalqalah. Look, Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. Okay, so when the letter of Qalqalah have sukun on them, then they will be read with echoing, vibration, or shaking sound.
Okay.
Okay, so all of them you said it. So when you said the level or the manners of Qalqalah, weak, intermediate, and strong.
Okay.
So
Imam Hassan said we strong and strongest.
Okay, be focused in this part, okay? With me, please. Okay. The Qalqalah, it's weak when the word of Qalqalah comes in the middle of word. Okay?
Okay.
Now, صدرك 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 صدرك. When you buy your a fender like that, you feel vibration, but it's weak vibration. صدرك صدرك.
صدرك.